Hello, my name is Shane Tripconi with bestprepaid.debitcards.com, and I want to talk to you today about the main differences between store credit cards and general purpose credit cards, especially those with 0% balance transfers and 0% on purchase offers. You will find store credit cards offered all over the place. A couple of the main ones that you may see are Walmart and Home Depot, but Best Buy has them. Many furniture stores offer a line of credit. Many retailers offer store cards. There are some great things about store cards. You can qualify for some wonderful discounts and coupons and bonuses and special incentive store offers. There are also some great things on general purpose credit cards, especially when they're offering special 0% financing for 12 months, 15 months, or longer. The main thing, though, when applying for either a store credit card or a general purpose credit card is to consider what's going on next year in your personal financial life. Are you planning on a home purchase? Are you planning on a car purchase? Any kind of big ticket item that requires a longer term loan will really look heavily at your credit score. You will want your credit score to be the highest it can be when it's time to apply for your home loan or your car loan so you can get the best rate possible. The difference between getting the best rate and maybe the next rate down could be $25 or $50 per month that you're paying for 15 or 30 years on a home mortgage. That's why it's so important to make sure that you're aware of your financial situation for the next year before applying for credit cards, whether it's a number of store credit cards or even general purpose credit cards. So here's just some differences between the store cards and the general purpose credit card. So when it comes time for maybe taking that today's 20% off on today's purchases at the store, or thinking about maybe longer term, I want to get balances moved over from my other credit cards, but I also want to have the ability of adding on some new purchases but only paying 0% for the next 12 months. One of the main differences between store cards and regular credit cards is that store cards are usually easier to get, they require a lower credit score, and they're great for building and rebuilding credit. Along with that, they typically have lower credit limits. And the bad thing is they typically have higher rates. So you can expect in the upper teens to 20s and maybe even upper 20s on some of these store credit cards. On general purpose credit cards, you're probably going to have a higher credit score to qualify for one of these cards, but you'll typically get a higher credit limit, and then your interest rate after the promotional period will be lower. Both on store cards, for example, with Walmart or Home Depot, they will have 0% special financing for 6 months or maybe 12 months or maybe even longer for special types of purchases. On those items, the thing to be careful and watch out for is that they offer deferred interest. What that means is that if you don't pay off everything within the 6 months or the 12 months, then all the interest will be due from the date of purchase at your current interest rate. On a credit card with the 0% purchases, when you hit the 12 months or 15 months or whatever it may be, the only interest that you owe will be on the balance going forward at the current rate. So, some cards to consider on the 0% purchase and balance transfer. Chase Slate has their nice offer right now for 15 months for 0% purchases and balance transfers at 0% balance transfer fee. So it's great for transferring balances in addition to purchases. The Discover It Cashback Match card offers 12 months and 12 months on purchases and balance transfers, 0%, as well as Wells Fargo offers a Visa Platinum card for 15 months on both of those. On those two cards, there is a 3% balance transfer fee, which is kind of the industry standard. Anyway, I hope this helps you understand the differences between store cards and regular credit cards. There's many more differences as well, We'll discuss more of those in the article that we link to in the description below. We'd love for you to leave comments below and like and share this video if this has been of help to you. We also would love for you to visit our website at bestprepaiddebitcards.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be providing more tips and tricks to help you with your personal financial life.